Hi friends, in this video I'll be doing the unboxing of itel Magic 2 4G feature phone. This is the retail unit I bought from Flipkart. The MRP mentioned on the box is 2999. However, you can get it for 2249 in Flipkart. Let us do the unboxing and have a first look. The retail box looks like this and the key features such as dual 4G LTE support, Wi-Fi hotspot tethering and King voice are written here. The device comes in two color variants, blue and black. I have opted for the blue variant. It comes with 100 days of replacement warranty, 12 months guarantee, and a one-time screen replacement of a broken screen within 365 days of purchase. Opening the box, first we have the main unit, which we will keep it aside for now. Then we have this small pouch which has a battery. The rating of this battery is 1900 mAh. Then we have this earphone and the charger. The micro USB cable is attached to the charger. We do have this manual and warranty details here. Now let's have a closer look into the device itself. We have 2.4-inch QAGA curved 3D display, speaker and then an alphanumeric keypad on the front. Right side we have this latch to open the back cover. At the bottom it has a 3.5 mm headphone jack and in the top micro USB port for charging. On the back it sports 1.3 MP camera with LED flash and a speaker grill. The back is user removable. You can remove the back cover using this latch. Here we can insert the SIM card 1 and here SIM 2. It accepts micro SIM cards. We can add a micro SD card up to 64 GB here. To place SIM card 1, push this metal frame and open it. Place SIM card. If you have a nano SIM card, then you may need to use this micro SIM adapter. Lock this tray like this. Now let me place SIM 2 in a similar way. Unlock and open SIM tray. Place SIM card and then lock back the tray. Then open the micro SD card tray. Place micro SD card and close this micro SD card tray. Now put the battery and then back cover. This is the power button to switch on the device. Long press on it to switch on the device. As you can see, it already detected my both Airtel and Jio SIM cards. It is a dual 4G Vivo LTE phone. It is showing 4G here and Vivo LTE here. Coming to menu, these are the options we have. Here is a glance at the options we have on the phone. That's it for this video on quick unboxing of itel Magic 2 4G feature phone. If you have any questions, please write in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like button if you find this video helpful.